Hi guys! So you're not able to see my face, but you are able to see the message I'm trying to show you. I love you no matter what, no matter how much you have scored in 12th, but I love you. And there are so many people out there who love you for what you are, not because of your results. So be happy. This magic wand is for you and it spreads love. And spreading love in your way as well. So I know many of you are in 12th and you must have got your results today, and there is a possibility that you must have not gotten what you were expecting. So don't feel shallow, don't feel disheartened. There's nothing, there's no big deal. There are people who must have got 96, 97 or so. There are people who must have got like 36, 46, 50 or 66. So those who have got 96 have not achieved any success, or those who have got like 36, it's not a failure. So it does not matter at all. It's okay. You have to understand one thing: you have to work hard for what you want in your life. 10 years from now, you will not remember your score in 12th, and if you think it matters because you will not get a nice college, so let me tell you one thing, that it does not matter from where you study. What all matters is you study what your interest is in. So if you're studying science, if you're not interested in science, no matter if you're studying it from the best college or best university in the world, you're not going to learn anything. But if you're studying your interests in, then even if you're learning from a village, you're going to crack it. So that you have to understand. Follow your interest, not just this race where everybody's running behind something then don't even know. I'm from a very basic college, and I have done very good in my studies because I was interested in that. I'm talking about fashion design, nothing, because I flunked in 12th twice, and I have already mentioned that in my previous videos. I think I have literally failed in 12th twice, and I'm very happy about it because I was not made for science. So I flunked, and I flunked purposely because I knew if I don't flunk, if I don't fail, my mom will not let me change my subject. So I did that on purpose, which was not a good thing. I'm not going to say. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, don't feel bad for the marks. It's just a number. It does not matter in the longer run. There are a lot of lessons in life that you have to learn. This is something, even if you have got a supplementary or you have to reappear for 12th next year, you should feel lucky that this is an exam you are allowed to give again. There are chances in life, there are exams in real life that you are not allowed to reappear for them. So this is just school exam. How does it matter? Don't take pressure of boards and all that stuff. It's just 12th, yeah. Let it go. Even if you failed, enjoy your failure. Just take out time for yourself. Have some good laugh and just let it go. How does it even matter? Everybody cannot score 90. Everybody cannot score 36. So everyone has their own IQs and set of interests. So try to convince yourself whatever has happened just happened. It does not matter. And trust me, it does not matter. Because even Steve Jobs, he was also a college dropout. And if he did not believe in himself, you would not be having Apple, and I would not be shooting this video in iPhone. So you have to understand, you have to believe in yourself, you have to work hard, because only your hard work is going to give you results. Even if you did not perform good in 12th, maybe you were not interested in the subject you were having. So it's okay, let it go. How does it even matter? So follow your interest and don't feel disheartened. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And if it makes you feel any good, have this candy and remember, I love you. Okay, so be happy, and if there's anything I can help you with, please tell me in comments, because I really. And also one more thing I want to say, please, people who commit suicide after getting their results and after getting failed especially, please don't commit suicide. It's the worst thing. It's the worst reason to commit suicide. I mean, you're giving the education system of India so much power that it can take your life away. Are you kidding me, dude? find some good reasons and better reasons to die for, not studies at least. You know, there are people fighting on border, they are dying for your country, and you're dying because you failed in 12th. Are you kidding me? This is the worst reason you can die for. I would find those people better who commit suicide for their lovers. Still, it's not a good idea, but still, I would find that a level better than killing yourself for getting fail in 12th or 10th. No, please bro, don't do that, okay? So please, especially to all those people, because I know in India it happens a lot. As soon as the result come, from next day in the news, oh, this person has committed suicide, this person, that person. Please care about your parents, okay? They will scold you and whatever, because they don't feel happy that you have not done good, because they care about you, and you have to understand that thing. You have to understand that thin line between care and what you are thinking. So go smooth, go easy, and don't care about what people say, and especially your relatives. They are going to call you and ask you your marks. So put your phone on flight mode and enjoy the Wi-Fi. And rest is all good. I hope you have a great day, and this candy is for you guys. I hope I can send this to each one of you, but it's not possible, but I'll try someday maybe. Okay, I'm not feeling well today, but still I thought to make this video because it's very important to share things, because I know it's very hard for students to get with this result of 12th in their life, because we live in India, and let's face it, you have to get good marks if you want to survive in a family full of relatives, because they're going to, you know what I mean. So okay, on this note, I'm going to finish this video, and remember, I flunked in 12th twice. So why are you worrying? If I'm so happy, if I can be happy after that, so you can be too. Alright, bye bye.